Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester. In today's video, we are talking about pudgy penguins. You can see here that they're on the screen, and we're going to be basically doing an update as to what's been happening with them over the last few months or so, and basically what could be happening to them in the next few weeks or so. Okay, so you can see here in the last month, it's actually down 10%. In the last week, it's up 3.2%, and in the last day it's up 3%. Nice sort of gradual uptrend here on the short-term time frame. People are saying here in the chat there is a massive cup and handle scenario coming through here, which does pose the question, will we see another massive leg up for pudgy penguins? Who knows at this point in time, but it is looking pretty good. In terms of SEX listings, it's listed pretty much everywhere now, even Coinbase and Binance here. But overall, it's looking like a strong project that is going to be sat at roughly around that $2 billion market cap for quite some time. Okay, in the last 7 days, we've tapped into that $2 billion market cap multiple times before flirting with it again and then losing it again. Okay, so this sort of poses the question, how long are we going to be doing this for before we initially break way above it like we did in previous price action? So in previous price action, just shy of a month ago, we actually saw this asset at the high of $2.47 billion in market cap. If you are going to be getting involved with this thing and you are running that up to $2.47 billion market cap, then essentially the market cap for that, the price for that to now would essentially be literally like a 25% move, right? That's a pretty substantial move up from where it is now, just over that, I do believe. So it is actually a really nice DCA area. If you are leveraging this, a 10x would be a 250% move, which is just unbelievable. Gradual uptrend, it's looking pretty good overall. Let's look at the chart and let's really see what we're going to be breaking down here to see how we can make some money trading this asset and where this asset could be going. Okay, because we did do some TA in previous price action here. And I will be going through that very, very shortly. I just want to talk to you very quickly about a new project that's raised $4.5 million, guys. Unbelievable stuff. They are the next big Solana meme coin trading bot. You can see that these other trading bots have got way more expensive fees than Snort, and you can see it's a faster sniper, live new soul pairs, limit orders, honeypot detection, copy trading, all of that really, really, really good stuff. Okay, so it's very, very likely that this thing is going to do very, very well, and it's actually tied to quite a big lucrative ecosystem as well. Okay, it's also mentioned in some very, very reputable brands across the space. So naturally, when you've got a free product like Snorter, like these bonk bots and Trojan and these other trading bots out there, when a better free product comes along, it's only natural that people migrate over to it. Okay, so what I think is going to be happening here with Snort is it's a better product, it's free, we're going to get an influx of users, and that is going to pump this ecosystem and really pump this token. So I do believe the $4.5 million launch is rectified, and this Solana sniping bot is going to absolutely explode in terms of its own token. Talking Radium, we're talking Jupiter, these sorts of levels. Okay. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to go check that out. You can get involved with your card, you can get involved with crypto, or you can get involved with Solana. Okay, links in the description. Obviously, do your own research, all that good stuff. Now, in the next part of the video, let's get into this chart. Obviously, we have got this lovely, lovely buying area that we've spoke about previously here for PENGU, and you can see we are actually, well, we did actually come down quite aggressively and set this low in terms of this trend, which does unfortunately confirm more of a downtrend here, because obviously we've got our high, we've got our lower high, we've got our we've got our lower high, we've got our lower low, we've got our lower low, we've got a lower high, we've got a lower low. We come up again, we test previous lower highs here with a bit of certainty, don't quite get the break that we're looking for and the confirmation, then we come back down and set a new lower low, basically confirming the this downtrend is in fact still in motion. Okay, so what I would expect here, if we don't come and break this high, I would expect more downside, and if we break this level in terms of downside, this lower low, then please expect worse price action to the downside for this asset. Now, that's not all bad news, because these are simply lovely, lovely buying areas. If you're buying and scooping up and DCAing the whole way down here, when the markets do start to change around again in terms of the positive direction, which they will, they do every single time, at some point, you're basically getting a really, really good average price in terms of purchasing at every single dump here before it goes back up, okay? So yeah, that's sort of what I would say for PENGU. But if you look at the bounce point, you can see that it would actually be a 100% move from that bounce point. So if you get a really good average price, roughly around here, you're gonna be making like a decent amount of money all the way back up to the highs that we previously saw, okay? 88% to be exact, which is absolutely ridiculous. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. I wanna hear your opinions. That is gonna be it from me. Go to the link in the description, go check out Snorter, because this thing is launching really, really soon. And it's definitely got some meat in the tank for some nice gains, okay? Thank you ever so much for watching. That's gonna be it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.